So here's my stuff, all from Metcalfe's. I got some little green beans back there, a little pancetta. I'm gonna cook that on the stove. And there's my center cut right there. And I got some local butter that I'm gonna use to sear it up with, and a little olive oil, and then I've got some black pepper and Lowry's, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I'm firing up my grill right now. I'm gonna get it set for 350 is what I go for. Then when I get this thing right, then I go sear my steak. So I'll show you that. So one of the first things I do is season. And ooh, that's a little heavy. All right. I've got my grill exactly at 350. I am going to start by searing my steak. So wash my hands. In she goes. Just going to put the lid on, and we're going to hard sear that for about 3 or 4 minutes, and maybe a little bit less than that. And then we're going to run her out to the grill. So that's it. About a couple minutes per side. Let's see, we got a nice sear going on here on both sides. The still's nice and red in the middle, and you can see I got her all seared up. This is my little Weber Connect, which is kind of cool. And I know Dan and Dave, this is like cheating. I know, I get it. Okay, so now I got about 15 minutes to cook up my vegetables. So we're gonna cook up some pancetta in there, and we're gonna drain it. And then we're gonna put our green beans in there, and we'll see how that comes out. Okay, so I got my green beans in my pan. I got a little Murphy's butter in there. Not really doing any seasoning. I'm kind of letting the salt of the Murphy's butter, and I'm gonna put the lid on. While my steak is resting, I'm just finishing up on my vegetables. So I got my pancetta up here, got my green beans here, and I'm just going to basically take my pancetta, and I'm gonna dump that in there and give that a little stir. I'm gonna turn the heat off, and then I'm just gonna let this sit and let those flavors kind of mesh a little bit as my steak rests. And I've probably got a couple